Hello there, today I'm going to show you free icons to use in your design in Figma. So no need to search on the internet, try to download, export, it will be directly and for free. Right click on your mouse, scroll down, plugins, find more plugins. The two my favorite are Icons 8, Icons Illustration Photos and Material Design Icons. You can type on the search window or watch the link below this video. Click Run. Opening the window, here you can play with the options, with the sizes and the colors, and simply just choose icon that you need. It will be directly exported to your file. The second is Icons 8, Run, and this is even much more amazing because it have all kind of that you can imagine and see somewhere. So you are welcome. Thank you for watching.